Are you struggling to get your daily dose of veggies? Did you know that 1/3 of all vegetables consumed in the United States come from just 3 sources? French fries, potato chips, and iceberg lettuce. Well, as a registered dietitian nutritionist, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 simple and practical tips to help you get more vegetables into your diet without feeling overwhelmed or sacrificing taste. From easy swaps to creative meal ideas, you won't want to miss these tips. So let's get started and get you on track to a healthier, more veggie-filled lifestyle. Tip number 1 is to upgrade your salads. Every time you go to the grocery store, get a different type of green leafy lettuce that you can use for salads. Don't just stick to one type of lettuce. Try different greens like spinach, arugula, kale, or romaine lettuce to add variety to your salad. This is going to help you mix it up so that you don't get bored with your salads. Another way is to add colorful veggies like bell peppers, tomatoes, shredded carrots, and purple cabbage to make your salad more visually appealing and nutrient rich. Also, add veggies that will add different textures to your salad, like creamy avocado, crunchy carrots, and juicy tomatoes. Another thing you can do is roast or grill your vegetables before adding them to your salad for a warm and savory twist. Salads are quick and easy to make, and by adding various toppings to your salads, you'll be making it even more healthier and colorful. Tip number 2 is to start up with a stir-fry recipe. You can choose a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms. Add those to your stir fry to make it look more pretty and for it to have more nutrients. All you have to do is cut your vegetables into small bite-sized pieces or buy prepped veggies that have already been chopped to save you time, or you could even buy a bag of frozen vegetables. This will work just as well. Frozen vegetables maintain their nutritional quality as long as the ingredients are just the vegetable and nothing else added to it. It's okay to buy vegetables frozen. Then use oil to cook in a pan or wok, and then add flavor with a low sodium sauce like coconut aminos, a pre-made stir-fry sauce, or some fresh minced ginger and garlic for flavor. Try different herbs and spices to make the perfect flavor combination. Then you can add some meat for a protein source and a whole grain side like rice to make it a complete meal. Adding protein to your stir fry can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent cravings later. Speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without giving up your favorite foods, even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and how to get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link to this class is in the description box below. Tip number 3 is to spruce up your sandwich. Add lettuce or greens like arugula or spinach to your sandwich or wrap for a little extra crunch and flavor. You can also add roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, or eggplant to add a smoky and savory flavor to your sandwich. Try adding a healthy spread like hummus, avocado, or pesto to add flavor and nutrition to your sandwich. Tip number 4 is to go for a dip. You can have baked potato wedges, cucumber slices, and carrots with your favorite dip like ranch, guacamole, or hummus. My favorite dip is the French onion dip by Violife. It's a vegan dip made with coconut oil and doesn't have any refined sugar added to it or inflammatory vegetable oils. It's great for people with lactose intolerance and might not want to eat ranch or a dip made with yogurt or sour cream. Tip number 5 is snack bag hack. Take veggies on the go. Choose veggies that are easy to eat on the go, like baby carrots, cherry tomatoes, or snap peas. Pack your veggies ahead of time in a small container or little bag so that they're easy to grab and go. You can also find veggie-based snacks like roasted chickpeas or kale chips that are easy to eat on the go. Always have snacks with you when you leave your house. This will help you avoid gas station food, vending machine food, any of those processed snacks that are just easy grab and go, that have no nutritional value whatsoever, and they're just empty calories. If you always have healthy snacks with you when you leave your house and you get hunger while you're out and about, and that hunger strikes, it's gonna make you wanna just grab anything in sight, whether it's fast food, like I said earlier, gas station food, vending machine food. But if you have your healthy snacks with you, you're gonna have something healthy to munch on and you won't give in to those unhealthy junk foods. Now to recap, we just went over 5 ways to help you get more vegetables into your diet. I created a handout with all of these tips listed so that you can easily download it to your computer. You can print it out if necessary, hang it on your refrigerator so that way it's always there whenever you need to look at it. If you're trying to figure out ways you can add more vegetables into your diet, you can also download it to your phone, save it to your phone. It's so easy. All you need to do is click the link in the description box and you can download it from there. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so that they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit into their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits. We can explore some options that might be helpful for you. And I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for this free consult, all you need to do is go to my website. It's missnutrition.com/schedule. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition, to learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for weight loss and muscle gain. And if you're a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I want to show you guys how I make this delicious sweet potato soup, and I have it every single day. I usually have it in the morning with my breakfast. It's a good way to get my veggies in for the day, and I mainly eat it because it's really good for skin health and helping to balance hormones. So you'll need 3 to 4 sweet potatoes, 4 carrots, 1 onion, and I just peeled and chopped everything and used my food processor. You'll need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You'll need some celery, and then you just saute the onion and the garlic in your pressure cooker, and I used coconut oil to saute it. And then you add everything else to the pot, and I added some of my homemade chicken feet bone broth that I like to make, and then I added some more bone broth that I just bought at the store. And then you can add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you just close the pot and cook it on the soup function. And then once it's done, it'll still be really hot, so you'll want to add some tomatoes, some spinach, some coconut cream, and because the soup is so hot, it'll still cook the spinach and the tomatoes a little bit. And then you just blend everything up in a blender, and then you can just get a straw and drink it right out of the bowl. Just kidding. So if you want to drink it, you can just put it in a mug, or you can eat it in a bowl with a spoon. And this soup is so delicious. I love it so much. It's so good for your skin. It's my anti-aging soup. And then once you're done cooking it, I like to save it in these jumbo ice cube trays, and they're made out of silicone, and I just freeze them in these trays. And then once they're frozen, I put them in food saver bags so they're vacuum sealed airtight, and they will last in your freezer for months if needed. And I love having them to eat throughout the week.